Hello everybody, how you doing? Trey Ratcliff here. I'm going to show you some cool stuff about the new Luminar AI. I'm making 3 different videos. One is a landscapey one is a portrait one with the face, and one is just kind of in the middle here. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. Now, it's got the same kind of setup as before, right? You've got your catalog, and then, but this is new. Now you can go to templates, okay? And this is sort of like just a really fun area to experiment with different looks, kind of a lookbook, all right? So you see they're categorized into different areas here on the right. There's all kinds of different categories. Here, we'll just go click on Essence, all right? And then we get some options in here. You click on these and it really gives you different looks. I kind of like that fashionista one. Flawless, yeah, it's pretty good. By the way, this is my friend Monty. She has her own clothes. She makes her own silk and linen garments. And we were up at Lake Tekapo a couple days ago and just took these photos, so I thought that'd be kind of fun. Yeah, so if you don't like any of those templates, you go pick over here into experimental. And then inside of here, you get all kinds of different looks. And all these are adjustable, right? After you pick them, like say, oh, wow, it's too much. You can dial it back a little bit. You know, just dial it back, dial it back. Is that the symbol for dialing it back? I don't know. But let's go back and pick that one that I really liked. And then I'll show you can do other kinds of tweaks. Fashionista. So I can go over here to edit now. And this is where you have all of your other controls. Okay, so these are the basics up here under essentials. Then you have creative options. You have portrait options. I'll show you face and skin, another one, but now I'll show you body. Now, I'm generally against people changing the shape of their bodies. Like, all bodies are beautiful, right? Totally. But some people are a little self-conscious, and maybe if you're a unicorn, you can make some adjustments if you want to. Generally, when it comes to adjusting the shape and size of a body, I'll just do whatever the woman wants, you know? So if Monty said, Trey, you can make me a little more skinny, I'd be like, okay, whatever you want. I find that if you just listen to women, it makes your life easier, right? It took me a while to figure that out. But if you do want to do that kind of thing, you see you can just grab the shape and you can just, look at that, just taking years off of her. Yeah. Anyway, you get the idea. So there's lots of options in there. So besides that, there's other things you can experiment with. You can make it all high key and fashiony. Here's something else kind of cool. Of course, you can go swap out the sky. There's many different options that you might like. There's dramatic sky. Now, this is an early version of it, so you're not going to see it. But in the next version of it, it will reflect in the water as well. And then over here in creative, you're going to see there's a lot more options than there used to be. They're always adding to this program. This is one called atmosphere, so you can add in some mist and change how the depth goes and make it all moody. And don't forget too that up here under essentials, you can do all the same stuff that you can do in Lightroom, and more, of course. So you can play with this all you want to. Yeah, man, it's hard for me to find a reason to go back to Lightroom. These guys are super smart. They keep coming up with updates. It's very inexpensive. You can go grab the link down below, and it's just incredibly fun. All right, see that? Now, I didn't do a big adjustment to this one. It's a little one, but I think it's nice. I think it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see my other videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, so it's a bargain at twice the price. And also, I make something that's not free. We do have this thing on my blog called the SIC Passport. You can join my latest book for free. Every Sunday I release a new how-to video, and you'll also have access to over 200 of my other videos that I've already released, so you will get a kick out of that. All right, y'all, well, I love you. Hang in there, stay creative, keep working on projects, keeps you sane. I find that creativity keeps the nihilism at bay. All right, guys, love you, and see you next time. Bye.